So yo, what's up guys? Good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel Bihero TV, and for today's vlog, and we are here again in Summer Cruise. But today kasama naman natin yung family natin. And si Mrs. Siyempre yung bird team. The bird team is always with us. Si Chichi. Chichi. Ayun, si Chichi, kumain na yan. And syempre, we also do have our two lovebirds there. Si Bito and si Bean. Then, supposed to bigay ng umaga pa itong vlog natin, nga lang nagkaroon ng problema yung SD card nag-format. Fortunately, so hindi natin keep yung mga dapat i-keep while we're keeping the first patch of the video. Napindot natin accidentally yung corrupt, so nag-corrupt siya. Then, dito na tayo. So, almost 9 o'clock. Patulog na tayo. Biglang nagkaroon ng maraming langgam dun sa kwarto namin. Si Moji. So, hindi natin na video yung swimming natin today. And, but we had our video on this afternoon nga lang na format yung SD card. Ayan, high tide na. Malalim na yan. So, bukas na lang tayo mag-vlog. So, ang episode natin today is episode 1, sleeping. Then tomorrow we'll be vlogging again. So, today gabi na, almost 9 o'clock. And it's time for us to sleep. Kakain na rin tayo, guys. Sama rin natin si mother and ang family ni kuya. So, this was a family outing. For us ni Mrs. normal na kami dito. Lagi nagpupunta dito. Regular kami ni Mrs. dito. And this is the summer cruise. I think it's 10 times na natin no, dito. 12 times na nagsiswimming. Ito mga birds natin. Ito si Chichi. I think it's 3rd time niya na dito. 2nd time. Si Bean, 3rd time na ata. Or 4th time. I don't know. So, sleep muna tayo guys. Then we're gonna back tomorrow again. Peace. Good morning guys. It is our day 2 here. Welcome to my YouTube channel Bihero TV. And we are still here in Summer Cruise. So, unfortunately kahapon nag-video tayo kaso nakarap. As I've said in my last video last night. Time check is already almost 7 a.m. Maga tayo nagising. Late na tayo nakatulog. Medyo masikip yung kamang napwestuhan namin ni Mrs. And the good thing is very cold yung aircon nila. So, very nice. So, we found another room para sa amin. For the next plan namin na mag-summer cruise ulit. Which is dito na sa baba kasi lamig. So, for today's activity, hindi pa sigurado kung tayo mag-boating. Punta tayo somewhere there. Check the island or I don't know. Check somewhere. Makapag-snorkeling mga bata. Makapag-snorkeling tayo ng mas magandang location wherein there's more fish to see. Pero hindi pa sigurado. So, for now, breakfast muna. Nagluto na si Mrs. Doon nagluto na rin si Utol kanina umaga. And we're preparing it. After we're gonna have some breakfast and then let's see what's gonna happen. So ito yung niluto na Mrs. today. Chicken dumplings. We bought this in Dali for 50 pieces. Mura-mura lang. So mag-coffee muna tayo guys. Then yung bird team natin, andun na sila. Chichi, dito maingay kasi hindi pa siguro gutom. Also si Bean and si Bito. So, coffee muna tayo guys. Done feeding. So, si Chichi, napakain na rin natin. Very nice. So, breakfast muna tayo guys. Sudden breakfast. Wala natin si Shoni. Say hi. Hi. Moji is playing there while for eating. Very good. Si mother. Kuya, andun na, nakapag-swimming na. Tama si Noah. Early swimming. No choice, wala siya magawa dahil gusto na mag-swimming ni Noah. So let's eat first.
I love it.
So we've done breakfast and I think negative tayo ngayon sa ating puntahan. So we're gonna just make swim today. Pero medyo makatilaw sabi yung utol kasi galing na siya. Time check is already 7:30 almost. Swimming tayo maaga. Later on, kain na naman. Then we're gonna pack up and going home. So swimming muna tayo guys. Let's go. So mag-swimming muna tayo guys.
Yeah.
Sama natin si Say hi.
Hi.
In 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Sun is shining, sky so blue. Feel the ocean, just me and you. Sandy beaches, waves so high. Summer love, let's touch the sky. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, it's so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
Job, mother! Dali, tatalo lang to. Talon! Hindi, akala ko hindi nakakatalon. Tapos mas nasemplang ka, paano hubong ka? Tumalong ka na lang kasi. Sige, talon! Ano, lubog? Kayang-kaya eh. Hindi, nahihirapan na ako lubong. Utang ngayon eh. Ano? Ano? Ano nangyari? Noah! Ang dami. Jump, Noah! Jump! Ang galing yun eh.
Jump on.
1, 2, 3. Ano yung ginawa mo? Stress si Noah.
So, summertime, we're feeling free. Dance with me by the sea. Hey, dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand, it's so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
Swimming. At mother, maligo na.
Pagod po.
Good. Cool, maligo na din. Si Burley na lang hindi pa. Go, go Burley, jump!
Dapat din na sinira dito. Ang gamitin ko.
Let's go, Shorty. One more time. Go jump. Are you ready?
Mani!
Are you ready? 1, 2, jump!
Move your feet. Sun and sand, it's so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
Moji!
Dito na mga kumayahan.
Wala.
Dito. Andun na yung ahas, tita eh. Layo-layo.
Let's go! 1, 2, jump! It's mommy time swimming. Ay. One, two, three, jump! Jump!
Dance in the summer heat. Feel
So we are back and we are done swimming. Time check is almost 11 and we're almost leaving. Just fixing the stuff. Later on we're gonna go. Chichi. Ebong na nagkalak. Alright. So enjoy naman tayo. Magandang swimming. Did you enjoy? Bravo. Very nice. Shawnee. So muna natin magamit and then we're gonna pack up. Alright guys. Bye. So let's tayo guys. Time check is almost 12. Yeah. Enjoy the moment. It's time again. Bye. So guys, pauwi na tayo. Finally, we're done with our family summer swimming. So, hindi na tayo dadaan ng Batangas. We're gonna go straight home dahil sa sobrang init. Grabe, kita mo yan. Grabe, init yan guys. Sobra yan. As in, sobrang init yan. Pero okay naman. Then, nandun sila utol na sa likod. So, hindi na tayo sama sa kanila puntang Batangas. We're gonna go straight ahead home. So, hanggang dito lang ating vlog guys. Again, please follow my YouTube channel, Bihero TV guys, for more videos and more family vlogs and any kind of vlogs na maisip natin. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Peace.